three tennis balls are just packed in a cylindrical jar, and radius of the ball is given as r, and we have to find out the air inside the jar. Air meaning here is the gap. The gap inside the jar we have to find out. What is the volume of the gap inside the jar? यहाँ पे हम कैसे अप्रोच करेंगे इसको कि जो टेनिस बॉल जो दिया गया इसका रेडियस आर है, मतलब यहाँ से यहाँ तक जो डिस्टेंस है, लेंथ है, वो आर है. दिस इज आर. आर इज द रेडियस ऑफ द टेनिस बॉल एज वेल एज आर इज द रेडियस ऑफ द सिलेंडर. आर इज द रेडियस ऑफ cylinder, that is cylindrical jar. Also it is the radius of sphere, which is the tennis ball. Now we have to find the height of the cylinder, or height of the cylindrical jar. The height of the cylindrical jar is this one. This is the height h. And if you will see, this is the diameter of one sphere or one tennis ball. Tennis ball is a sphere. This is 2r because the diameter of the sphere it is. Similarly, again here all are touching to each other. Actually, there is no gap in between. Again it is touching here. This is 2r, and again it is 2r. That means 6r. So height of the cylinder is equal to 6r. Height of the cylinder is equal to 6r. So now the volume of the gap or volume of air will be equal to volume of cylinder, that is cylindrical jar, minus 3 into volume of one spherical tennis ball. Volume of a sphere. Volume of the cylinder now. Cylinder volume, the formula for cylindrical structure or cylindrical jar. The volume of the cylindrical jar is pi r square h, where r is the radius and h is the height. Pi r square h, that is okay, it is pi r square h. We can directly write here pi r square h. The radius of the cylinder is same as the radius of the sphere, so we can write r square. In place of h we can write 6r h minus 3 into volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi into 3 pi into r cube. Now this will be equal to pi r square into 6r minus this 3 will be cancelled out, which is 4 pi r cube. So 6 pi r cube minus 4 pi r cube, this will be equal to 2 pi r cube. This is the volume of the gap or volume of the air inside the cylindrical jar, which is option A.